foot onto my pour over, and then I'm also going to kind of do a little bit of a lip to hold on to the mug when it's on top of the mug. Basically what a pour over does is when you just set on top of your mug, put a filter in there, put your grounds in there, and then pour some boiling water over it, and it brews a fresh cup of coffee. Sorry. Right now I'm just doing the lip. This is just going to go sit on the inside of the mug.
That's really cool.
Yeah, so whenever you see bottom of your mug or something, probably someone trimmed that foot down there. And then I just use this foot as a catch on the bottom of my mugs. I just usually have them flat.